These aren't just cars, they're pure muscle legends. But before we tell you their names, just listen to how they sound. Chevrolet Camaro Z28, Mustang's ultimate rival, built with racing DNA. Today, originals sell for over $100,000 at auctions. Next, Pontic GTO, often called the first real muscle car. So powerful, it was banned in some countries for being too fast. Which sound gave you chills? Drop your favorite in the comments, and hit like before these legends vanish from your feed. Subscribe for next part.